Hey friends, if you wish to set the time zone automatically on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time. Now there is a switch for set time zone automatically, but before that I'll let you know what it means. So right now the time zone is manual, and if I change it, then the time will change. But if I turn this switch on, it will pick the time zone after determining the region where I am in. Okay, and this will be done through a location detecting tool, and the internet should be connected for this. So this will pick the time from the internet after judging the location of your computer, and it is very helpful for travelers, especially those who have access to the internet while traveling. Otherwise, if you do not have access to the internet, I will suggest to use the manual time zone method. But if you wish to set it automatically, simply turn this switch on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.